Hello friends, welcome to Karnataka IAS weekly current affairs class. In this video, we are going to discuss about the various current events happened in the Karnataka with regard to Karnataka state in the first week of June month. So moving on to the first topic, it is related to Nisar. So the recently the USA envoy who has there in the Indian Institute of Science has given details with regard to the Nisar. What is Nisar? Nisar is a satellite. It is a satellite to be launched in collaboration with NASA and ISRO. So N stands for NASA, I stands for ISRO, and the synthetic aperture radar. So it is will be launched in collaboration with these two organizations, and it is designed to observe and measure Earth's most complex processes such as the earthquake, the tsunami, the volcanic eruption, the landslides, and so on. The various complex Earth phenomena process will be properly analyzed and understood and observed with this device. In this, the another unique aspect of this device is it's a dual purpose device. It has both the L band as well as the S band. It has both the L band and the S band in the radar system. So it is separately built by the L band is built by the NASA, whereas the S band is built by the ISRO. So this gives us a unique feature of this device or this satellite, where we can understand the external features of the Earth. By understanding the external features, we can predict what changes can happen in the next future. It also helpful in understanding about the climate change, the ice melting, that is the snow caps melting, and the global warming, which has been considered as a major threat to the environment. So all these issues will be addressed or will be help in understanding in a proper manner. So this project which has been envisaged by both the research organizations, it has been stretched for a long time, and according to the NASA, by the next year this satellite will be get ready, so that it is now in what we call is a testing phase. So in the next year the satellite can be launched, so that it helps in understanding about the Earth's most complex process. So this is the niche issue. This is the matter in which we need to understand the process involving the Nisar. Okay, this is one of the considered as the most important projects of ISRO, so that it helps in understanding the various phenomena of the Earth. Then moving on to the next aspect, it is regarded to Anubhava Mantapa. As all we know, the 12th century Veerashaiva saints have assembled together to discuss about the various happenings of the society, and they coined that assembly as the Anubhava Mantapa. So it can be said as the first democratic institution of the world, means where the people assembled together irrespective of caste, creed, religion and sex, and where they discussed about the various societal phenomena or various societal things which covers with regard to the ethical behavior, inequality, caste rigidities. All these phenomena have been discussed. The government of Karnataka has decided to construct the Anubhava Mantapa at Basava Kalyan. So the erstwhile Kalyan, where in the same place where the 12th century Shiva Sharanas, including Basavanna, Allama Prabhu, Akkama Devi and so on, used to sit and discuss about the social evils and social development. So that project has been taken by the government of Karnataka, and they have established a board called as Basava Kalyana Development Board to implement this project. And recently the government has decided to give the contract to a construction company from Pune, that is BJ Shirke Constructions, where the project was awarded for around 600 crores. Before that, the government has set up a committee called as Guru Chanbasappa Committee to study about this initiative, and give details about the structural aspect and also the cost involved in this. So based on the committee's recommendation, the 600 crore project, based on the committee recommendation, the fund allocated is around 600 crores. If we go to the next aspect, so it is the building will come under 6 floors. It comprises of 6 floors. The building will be in a circular shape. So why the circular shape? The earlier Kalyanas, Chalukyas of Kalyan, so which they used to build in the other structures in a circular manner. So based on that model architecture, the government has decided to employ the circular model. So moving on to the next issue, it is related to the centralized monitoring. So it will be helpful you in the GS mains, KPSC GS mains 3 papers, that is science and technology, how technology can be used in the health monitoring system. So the first centralized monitoring system has been employed at NIMANS, where the next generation monitoring system has been evolved. Here the cloud based application will be installed in the ICU and other critical units, where the vital signs of the patients will be regularly monitored using the cloud based applications or the technology, that is using the various electronic devices. Those electronic devices are connected to the central room where the doctors are sitting over and understanding about the vital signs of the patients. If there is some changes in the vital signs of the patients, so that the doctor can immediately respond and give the proper medication so that the patient can be recovered. So this is very important development, so that how the technology can be effectively utilized in the health monitoring and development system. So the next aspect is the Kuvempu's work. So recently the famous work of Kuvempu, which is called as Malegalalli Madumagalu, this work has now been translated into English, and this is done by 2 important personalities by name K.M. Srinivasa Gowda and G.K. Srikanta Murthy. So these 2 persons have been involved in translation of the great epic of Kuvempu, that is the Malegalalli Madumagalu, into English version, and the credit goes to the K.M. Srinivas Gowda and G.K. Srikanta Murthy. So these are the most important issues which have happened in the month of June, in the first week of the month of June. So moving on to the next aspect here is the one more thing is about the monkeypox. So monkeypox is a viral disease which has been seen in the southern region. It has not yet seen, but there are some apprehensions with regard to the monkeypox. So the government has taken various initiatives to monitor and take measures to prevent the spreading or occurrence of the monkeypox. So first we need to understand what is monkeypox. Monkeypox is a viral disease. Okay, it is a viral disease. Majorly the reservoirs are the monkeys, but as per the understanding, monkeys itself are not only the reservoirs. There are other animals which can also act as the reservoirs. The symptoms includes the fevers, the chills, the headache, and also rashes around the neck. So these are the various symptoms about the monkey fever. And as far as the medication goes, the standard antiviral medication is available. There is no proper medication or exact medication for the monkeypox. So monkeypox was first detected in Denmark in 1958. Afterwards, it has been seen in the African countries, that is the Democratic Republic of Congo. The first human case was reported in Democratic Republic of Congo in 1970. Afterwards, in 2003, there is an outbreak of monkeypox in United States. Apart from now, in the recent year, there is a saying that there is an outbreak of the monkeypox. So monkeypox, the mode of transmission is from the humans to from the animals to the humans, is either due to the fluid transfer or due to the bite. If there is a bite of animal to the human beings, then also it can be transmitted. If that animal is infected with the monkey virus, then also it can be transmitted, and it can also transfer from human to human through body fluids, through sexual contact, through breakages or cuts in the skin, so or any body fluids. Based on these various modes that the virus can be transmitted. So government has started to take precautionary measures so that this disease cannot become what we call it as a health concern. So this is what you need to understand with regard to the monkeypox. So these are the various issues which have been there in the first week of June related to Karnataka. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video.